In the previous video, we made an appicon.com and now we will animate it and create a splash screen. Open Canva. Open your icon design for animation. Add location pin icon gives apply pulse animation. A dotted line gives apply wipe animation. Add hamburger icon gives apply pulse animation. Apply wipe animation on text. Click Share. Download as MP4. Create new design. Size 1080 by 1920. Choose and apply a background color. Add a pattern of your choice too. Enhance the background. Applying transparency 15 to a pattern. Download as PNG. Previewed animated icon with background text. Implemented in Android Studio. Open Android Studio, Open Project. Go to Drawable, Paste File. Create raw folder. Integrated animated icon into Exoplayer for playback, along with background, and text on the splash screen. Your splash screen is ready. Tip: that's it. Keep creating and keep coding. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one.